Planning to tie the knot in Alberta? This video provides a step-by-step guide on obtaining a marriage license in the province. We'll cover eligibility criteria, necessary documents, associated fees, and important do's and don'ts to ensure a smooth application process. Whether you're a resident or coming from abroad, this comprehensive overview will help you navigate Alberta's marriage regulations with ease. Watch attentively and take notes if needed to. To marry in Alberta, both parties must be 18 years or older. Individuals aged 16 or 17 can marry with written consent from all legal guardians. Those under 16 are not permitted to marry in Alberta. Applicants must be single, divorced, or widowed. Proof of divorce, certificate of divorce, or decree absolute is required if applicable. Bring the original document when applying for a marriage license at the registry office. Marriage is between close relatives by blood or adoption. For example, grandparent, parent, child, sibling, grandchild are prohibited. Both individuals must apply together at a registry agent office in Alberta. Provide valid government-issued photo ID for both parties. Supply full names and birthplaces of both sets of parents, including mother's maiden names. Both applicants must swear or affirm an affidavit attesting to the accuracy of the provided information. A standard $40 government fee applies, plus registry agents may charge an additional service fee, which varies by location. Important considerations. The marriage license is valid for 3 months from the date of issue. No residency or citizenship requirements. Non-residents can marry in Alberta. The marriage must take place within Alberta within the 90 days of application. Do's and don'ts. Do apply for the license well in advance of your planned wedding date. Do ensure all information provided is accurate and truthful. Do keep the marriage license in good condition. Do not fold or damage it. Don't attempt to apply. If currently married, all previous marriages must be legally dissolved. Don't provide false information. Doing so is a legal offense. Don't forget to bring the marriage license to your ceremony. It's required for the officiant to perform the marriage. Post-ceremony. After the ceremony, the officiant will submit the registration of marriage to Alberta Vital Statistics. To obtain an official marriage certificate, apply through a registry agent. This document is necessary for legal name changes and other official purposes. Are you planning a wedding in Alberta? What challenges have you faced in the process? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos on Alberta driving laws, registries, and more. Any suggestions on the next topic? Thank you for watching.